Let's take a look at how you can solve currently unable to access cellular data errors in your iPhone 8 Plus. Hi there, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to share some advanced troubleshooting guides to solve the currently unable to access cellular data issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open settings, enable airplane mode, wait a few seconds. Now disable the airplane mode. Solution 2. Eject or change the SIM card and reinsert it. Before doing that, turn off your iPhone. Now remove the SIM tray using a pin from the right side of the device. Take out the SIM card from the tray, wait for a few seconds, or change the SIM card. Turn on your iPhone. Check your issue whether it's solved or not, and if you still have the issue, follow the next process. Solution 3. Check your software update. Before moving on, make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is on. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, then tap software update. If you see software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. After that, tap reset. Now tap reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap reset network settings again. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, then tap transfer reset iPhone. After that, tap reset. Now tap reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap reset all settings again. Make sure that reset all settings will reset everything to default, so make sure to remember your password. After restarting, check whether your issue is solved or not. So this is how you can solve currently unable to access cellular data issue on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any kind of questions, ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.